Today we are going to learn how to adjust column width and row height. By default, all columns are set to a width of 8.43 characters or 64 pixels, which you can check by pressing and hold your mouse on the right hand border of any column, and it says width is 8.43 or 64 pixels. The measure 8.43 characters indicates the average number of standard characters that fit in the cell. The word pixel is short for the picture element and is the smallest element of an on-screen image. It is used here as a unit of measure. So this is our data, and we have two departments: finance department, sales department, last name, first name, base salary, and bonus. You can see here the entries in these worksheets are cut off because the cells are not wide enough to accommodate them. The cells in column D and E containing numbers display overflow markers. So these are the overflow markers. This occurs when a format has been applied to a number and the column is too narrow to display the entire number. So we have to adjust the column width. There are several ways how to adjust the column width. First is adjust the width of the column A so that all cell entries are fully displayed by pointing to the right hand border of the column letter and double clicking. So see, similarly, you can double click here, double click, then you can see all the numbers, all the texts are there. But if suppose you have 100 columns, many columns, so it is time consuming to do the same function one by one. So instead of increasing the width of the column one by one, the easiest way is you have to select your data and then go to the Home tab. From Home tab, you have to click Format, and then this is the column width. So click here, column width, and here you can write down, suppose we want 20, so write down 20 and OK. So see, your all columns now have the same width. Now suppose these two columns are okay, but these three columns you have to adjust. So the way is you have to select first column, press and hold your control key on the keyboard, click on the C column and then on the E column. Go to the format, column width, and make it suppose 20 or 15, whatever you want. So we say 20, again you can see. Similarly, you can increase the height of the rows. Suppose this is our data, select your data, go to the Home tab. From Home tab, in a cells group, go to the format, and this is the row height. So what you want, suppose we want 30, make it 30 and then click it. So in this video, you have learned how to adjust column width and row height, and thanks for watching the video.